Hey guys, how are you today? It's your boy Quick Dessert. What we're doing today, I'm gonna make something new. Today we have cake. As you can see, got some fruits right here, and we'll top it up with bad boy ice cream. Yeah. Grab the cake, fill it up with the ice creams that you prefer. Now add your strawberry in there and chuck some grapes on the side there, brah. Also add some banana slices. We're done with the fruits from this point, but if you want to add some more, feel free to do so. Now add your chocolate syrup up there, and lastly, add your sprinkles. Voila, it's done. Hey guys, as you can see, look, this looks so amazing. I'll give it a quick taste right now. This is amazing, super easy and simple. The quicker, the better.